Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have this easy hairstyle that you can use to stretch your hair and at the same time wear as protective style. But if you're my oldie subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys so much. If it's your first time you stop by, hello, welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, share this video with your loved one, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, because if you like this video, more people they have chance to see, and that help me a lot. Straight away to the video. Today's section I'm going to make is a seashell shape, and in this video I only use one pack of yarn. I even didn't finish that pack, and each section I use 6 strands. You may decide to cut any size, you may decide to cut longer if you don't want add any yarn on your way, but you may decide to cut short. Then the more you wrap, because once you cut short it's very easy even to wrap, and once you wrap, then after the yarn finish you can add another 2 or 3 strands, then keep going. When I wrap, I make sure I don't tie too much because I don't want to cause too much tension or break my hair. I make sure I keep space from the roots of my hair. Then I start wrapping, and then I wrap till end. And here you may decide any length you want. Then I secure 2 times to avoid the yarn to unravel. Again, I make section. I take 6 strands of yarn. I hold almost half. That side I hold together with my natural hair, and other half section I use to wrap on my hair. I started by keeping a little bit space between my roots and the place I start wrapping, because I don't want to cause too much tension. Then I continue wrapping till the length I want. Then I secure 2 times. If you have been in my channel for a while, I hope you know I love African threading style, because it's very easy way to stretch your hair, and at the same time you can wear as protective style. Then it's very easy to maintain. Let's say like this hairstyle. Let me forget about other videos I have made. Like this video, this style is really very easy and you can achieve in very short time. To braid my entire head I use less than 1 hour. You may also decide to make more big section than mine, or you may decide to make more small section depending on the length of your hair and also how long you want to keep your protective style. It means if you want to keep more long time, yes, you have to make more small sections so that it's easy for you to keep long time. But if you want to keep like 2 weeks, 1 week, it's okay, you can go with big section. And another thing, those people who asking where can I get the same yarn or wool wherever, like the one you use in this video, honey, no need to use exactly the same yarn like the one I use. You may use other different yarn from different companies, but just make sure it's the same texture with the yarn I use in this video, period. You can achieve all hairstyle I've done here in my channel, including this hairstyle as well, using different yarn but with the same texture. So no need to stress yourself to buy yarn online while near, or you can find the yarn in local store supplier. And you may see the hair really easy, no need to add any gel, just I and my natural hair. You can see how easy and cheap it is, especially like here it's summer, it's really hot, so it's a little bit stress thinking what kind of protective style I can wear during this season, but like this kind of hairstyle honestly is very easy. Even if your scalp is very easy to feel itching, this hairstyle is very easy to spray some water, to add some oil on your scalp, so it's really easy to maintain. If you're asking yourself like how possible you started with 6 strands and then when you want to add yarn you only add 2 strands, is because when I just started, I started with 6 strands and then I fold. So it means half I hold together with my natural hair while half I use wrapping. So once I wrap till I finish the side I use wrapping, means down remained the same 6 strands. So to avoid up of the section look smaller, and down look bigger, I only add 2 strands of yarn. And then I continue wrapping. And you may see the size look not much different. But if when you are adding strand, you add the same 6 strand, it means up is gonna be smaller, then down gonna be bigger, because already have 6 strands remaining, which you hold them together with your hair. So guys, leave your comments in the comment section. Just let me know, when is the last time you wear African threading style, or when is your last time you do it somewhere wherever, or yeah, you do any kind of African hairstyle.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Fill with emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet slide. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet slide. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine.
Before I make final look, I decide to add oil on my scalp, and then I do a kind of massage to avoid my scalp itching or wherever. Then after I finish add oil and then massage my scalp, I go ahead and I trim off all excess yarn. Make sure the section they are clean. Then this is completely option. You may decide to wear as high puff or low puff. You may decide to wear any style you want, but for me, I'm doing a kind of flat twist just to make sure I hold all the section together. And here I use rubber band to secure to avoid this section to unravel. Then I do exactly the same thing to other side. Then I take hairband and I hold both sides together. Then I secure. And you may decide to leave it like this way, or you may decide to hide the tail. And this is the final result for today's video. Honey, hopefully you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share with your loved one as much as you can, because that helped me a lot. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.